Hi friends, welcome to Fin Business. I am Manoj Agrawal. Today I have with me a very special guest, Mr. Nageshwara Rao. He is a GM for Digitization and Planning at Allahabad Bank. Welcome Mr. Rao. So tell us a little bit about the main digitization activities at Allahabad Bank. The bank is a little different from your mainstream banks that are situated in Mumbai or Delhi or Bangalore. How is Allahabad Bank based in eastern region of India taking on to digitization?
You are right. I am from East. I am taking care of Bharat, and whereas West is taking care of India. So that makes all the difference because my 70% of the customers, they are from the Gangotri to Gangasagar belt, predominantly covering UP, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand. So where 70% of the customers who are yet to be active on digital modes. So I am serving them. So my concentration is relatively lesser than Western-based banks, as you told correctly.
Right. How financially literate and digitally literate is the population in these areas? To the extent, how has this kind of literacy changed over the last 2-3 years?
Predominantly, these areas where what I mentioned, their person-to-person payments are still not happening. It's only cash transactions. They draw cash, they spend cash for petty things. Whereas in the other 30% area where person-to-person transfer, customer-to-person transfer, business-to-customer transfer, they are happening.
Okay.
So there you need a digital product like app, like internet banking, like mobile banking. They are necessary. You want to transfer money to some other else.
Right.
Whereas in the sector where I am dealing, it's only drawing cash, spending cash.
Okay.
Mostly merchant,
cash,
yes, it's predominantly cash only. So digitally it is yet to evolve.
What is the smartphone penetration in these areas as a baseline for us to start thinking?
Let me admit, I have nearly 1 million phone numbers collected from my 2.5 crore active users. 1 million. 1 crore, sorry, 1 crore.
1 crore, okay.
1 crore collected from 2.5 crores mobile numbers.
Okay.
But digitally active, as you put it, it is only 20 lakhs of them, 1/5 of the mobile numbers.
What is your latest digital initiative?
We have issued one mobile app which is called Empower.
Okay.
We want to empower our digital users, which has become really, it has attracted good comments on the Android Play Store. We are ranking 4.6 on the rankings given by there.
Okay.
It's a full-fledged, you don't need internet banking at all. Everything can be done on your mobile.
Okay.
It includes every payment mode, Beam UPI mode, QR mode, everything is covered in the Empower mode. So we are slowly expanding this to rural footprint. So that will help us in future.
What kind of challenges did the bank hear from customers when they start using the app? Is it familiarity or technology or something else?
First of all, it is language barrier. Yeah, the apps are in English predominantly.
Okay.
Even if you translate that app into Hindi, content is still English.
Yes.
So that language barrier has to be overcome. Second, fear factor. Now every day you get one news item that this has happened, that has happened.
Right.
So that fear factor has to go. Then only I will be able to multiply my numbers.
So are you looking at a multilingual app, mobile app?
The government has given a guidelines. If you have more than 100 branches in a geography, that local language has to be ported.
Okay.
So we have 5 states: Orissa, Bengal, Punjab, Maharashtra, where we have more than 100 branches. So
Okay.
these 4 languages I am going to bring on the app.
Okay. So what is your strategy for rural? Do you want to go for, like you said, you have a lot of business correspondents. How are you empowering them with digital solutions?
Luckily, Allahabad Bank is the only bank which has implemented 100% digitization at the BC point, that is Bank Mitra.
Okay.
Because there is no signature, there is no paper with a Bank Mitra.
Okay.
Everything is through Aadhaar enabled payment system through a thumb impression.
Okay.
100%. Each day we are conducting about 6 lakh transactions at Aadhaar, this Bank Mitra point. All the 6 lakhs happen on Aadhaar. So that
What about onboarding customers digitally?
Yes. We have an app called Insta SB account, which we call it as a Tatkal Bachat Khata.
Okay.
You can, it is opened on app itself
Okay.
through Aadhaar OTP method.
Okay.
So they can go to any nearest branch, give one wet signature and take the passbook. Signature, because as per the rule, I have to obtain at least one wet signature for allowing the check passing in future.
Okay.
So to obtain a wet signature is a must for the onboarding. So we ask the customer to reach any nearest branch so that your account will become active. Account number is instantly given.
Oh, to activate it, they have to go to the
They have
branch
to
for
make
the
us
signature.
wet signature.
So how is this actually becoming popular this way?
Definitely. We have used it in a closed user group. Now it has gone through all the testing phase. On our 24th April is our foundation day. We are completing 155 years.
Wow.
So on that day we want to launch this in a big way.
Okay. Now tell me about borrowers, because ultimately for banks, borrower is the customer that brings in the asset and brings in the revenue and profits. What kind of digital initiatives or technology initiatives do you think will help the bank take? Will the bank take as the next step?
Definitely. We are coming out with a loan origination system that is called, they call it LOS.
LOS.
In the LOS we have two products, housing loan and car loan. We will release education loan also soon, where the customer can log into our internet site, apply for a loan. They will get a sanction letter instantly. They have to reach nearest branch for documentation. Online we are giving the sanction letter based on the requirement and eligibility.
Okay.
Loan origination system.
So this is going to be launched, or it's already
Launched.
It's already launched.
Loan and education loan launched.
Okay. What new products will you add next?
Car loan, gold loan, personal loans we are adding. But for agriculture sector, it is still the branch banking, because they cannot reach a internet site.
What is the level of safety and security and cyber security? How are you taking that ahead so that customers who come in are not defrauded?
So that laws are very stringent now. Almost all banks have come on board. We have sufficient guidelines. We have internal IS audit and external penetration audit taken by auditors. And the RBI is very, very stringent in implementation of cyber security in a full way.
Okay.
So customers they can rest assured.
Okay.
Their data is pakka. They won't be, unless they go into a hacker's hand wantonly, that we cannot guide so much. But otherwise, our systems are strong. We are following all the guidelines given by CERT. CERT. So we are on par with any other bank.
Now, the final thing is, a lot of banks in the West are partnering with fintechs. What is the fintech partnership scenario and model for Allahabad Bank?
Right now, our in-house team is very, very strong. Okay. I have a 50-member in-house team, which I am heading. So we have fairly given good products for even banking industry. Maybe next week, our site IBA-PI, we have given the product for IBA.
Okay.
That is owned by DFS, the Government of India, Ministry of Finance.
So what is happening on that website?
Search facility for properties auctioned by banks. We are strong. We don't need a fintech.
Wonderful. You are a fintech yourself. Thank you so much.